Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. The Samsung Galaxy S24 has been spotted on Geekbench. Model number SM S721N, 8GB RAM, Android 14 and a Exynos 2400E processor. The Exynos 2400E is an underclocked version of Exynos 2400 with a maximum clock speed of 3.11 GHz, score 1625 in single core and 5698 in multi-core points. Leaked promo images reveal a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display, flat edges, aluminum frame, and 5 color options. Also feature Galaxy AI features like Photo Studio and Live Translate. Expect a 10 megapixel selfie camera, 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, 50 megapixel wide-angle camera, and 8 megapixel telephoto lens, powered by 4565 mAh battery. That's it for today guys. Stay tuned for more videos and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.